Buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay, good person, good life, long live. Welcome to my vlog. I am your teacher vlogger, teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. Live and alive. My location now is here in Gaisano, capital, Mintal, Santo Niño, Mintal, Davao. Okay, it's my first time here. So I just have my red t-shirt as a remembrance, the Gaisano capital. So, this is a day in the life of the retired teacher, making exploration of different places. Okay, join me as I share you my episodes right now. Wow, I love this car, my favorite color, red 5. And this is the outside of the Gaisano capital, Santo Niño, Davao City. The sister mall of Gaisano Illustre and another mall in Davao. So just exploring now and then here in the land of the Dorians, the city of Dorian, the land of the eagles, of course, the land of promise, and the chosen city of God. The New Jerusalem is here in Davao City. Delay no longer. Come now and shop here in Gaisano Mall, capital, Santo Niño, Mintal, Davao City. It's just in front of Jollibee. Yeah, Jollibee that's Jollibee Mintal over there. Then we have also the bakery or Rose Bakery, my favorite cream bread. These are the establishment in front of this establishment. The actual situation now on this afternoon of Sunday. Mas barato, mabiabihon, o paspas ang serbisyo. So that is their tagline. Mas barato, mabiabihon, o paspas ang serbisyo. And they also have their tagline, take home happiness in your home. Yeah, take it home, the happiness, after your Gaisano capital shopping, either actual shopping or just a window shopping. You have the first floor and the second floor. The first floor, here is, you have the